The house of Kuki Inpi Secretary Jiribam Seijathang Khongsai, located at Fatal Khun, was burnt down last night by unknown persons. In this regard, Seijathang Khongsai expressed that his house had been set on fire 2 times before. We want peace. Violence cannot bring any solution. Besides, his vehicles were also burnt down. He appealed to both Meitei and Kuki community located in Jiribam to restore peace at the area.
House for the second time has been attempted to be burned. It is by 2:35 a.m. this morning. It is burned again. My scooty, my vehicle already burned down. I suffered a lot. Today also, I would like to request to all the people of Manipur, especially Jiribam and the Menglong district, let peace be prevail. Why don't we fight for no cause? Let's love one another. Why enmity? For how much long we'll stay here on this earth? We have to love one another. We have to be together. That much I would like to say.